Hi guys, Yulia here. So today I will be making a video about how to cut your ornamental grasses. It's March right now, so this is the time when you have to cut your ornamental grasses back. The general rule is that you have to cut your grasses before new growth appears. Otherwise it's going to end up looking very messy. In my zone, which is zone 6, I'd say beginning of March is a perfect time to cut your grasses, and I will show you how to do it next. But before I start, there are a couple of tips you kind of have to keep in mind. First of all, wear protective clothing like gloves, something with long sleeves, because as I discovered for myself, the blades are very sharp. The blades of the grasses are very sharp, so sometimes you get those cuts and they're like really bad. The next one is you have to cut them as low as you can, because everything that is like dead will never recover. So if you cut it this tall or like a foot tall, it's just not gonna look great. So cut it as low as you can, like to a couple of inches off the ground. Another tip is to use sharp tools, like whatever you end up using. Some people use hedge trimmers, some people use scissors, some people use pruners. Make sure they're really sharp to make your job much easier. Another thing is to use twine to kind of tie the grass around so it's not flying all over the place when you're cutting it, to make your job much easier. So I am going to go ahead and show you how to cut your grasses now. quick note about cutting your grasses with a hedge trimmer. It's not my personal favorite. I know a lot of people like to use them because it's quick, but they do not make cuts very clean. They're more like shred the grass, as you could see in the video. Sometimes they get stuck and it's just not, you don't have a lot of control. So I do prefer to use pruners when I cut my ornamental grasses. So this is pretty much it. If you have sharp tools, cutting ornamental grasses is a very easy and quick project. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments below. I'll try to answer them. And thank you for watching. Bye.